Hi, this is Deb Kirschbaum with Priority Properties, and I have a beautiful home I want to show you. It is a gorgeous 5-bedroom, three and a half bath, and 3-car garage, and it's located here in Castle Rock. Castle Rock is known for being close to Denver and in the city, and yet feeling like you're in the country. And wait till I show you the view on this house. You're gonna love it. Let's go inside. So immediately get that sense of welcome home. Big, beautiful living room with vaulted ceilings and a lovely bird that's greeting us. Large dining room with room for your china hutch, and yet open to everything. So when you're entertaining, you don't have that feeling of closed in. Let's close yourself into the dining room table. Lots and lots of room. And a door to close off your kitchen mess in case you don't want to do the dishes. This kitchen is lovely. Fresh coat of paint, all brand new. And the part I love is that doing the dishes is not such a chore when you have a view like this. Then, of course, you're open to the rest of the family. So while you're cooking dinner, you can listen or talk to the people that are in the other room. Eat-in area. This is a large dining area too, so if you have a large family, you'll be able to fit a nice big table in there. I'm going to show you the outside later, but look at that view. Just so you got your bearings, we walked around the kitchen. There's the front door. And now we'll go down to the family room. Couple steps down. Gorgeous gas fireplace, dramatic hearth. Easy to decorate against that, right? Got all the windows around here. Tray ceilings, fan. And let's go back here first. Oh, before we do, I want to show you the closets. They are really big and deep. Like you can have your vacuum and your coats in there. There's another closet just around the corner. Let me show you. Back here, we have the very large garage, 3-car garage, of course. And if Debbie can find the switch to the, oh come on, I was practicing it before. And I don't remember how to turn it on. 3-car garage, but extra storage. As you can see, lots of storage. There are some shelves over there as well. So you'll be able to have lots of storage. This here is the laundry room. Conveniently located for your everyday use. I love this personality. Try not to show myself there. This bathroom has such personality. It's a nice little half bath, natural light. I love that vanity. We'll go downstairs after I show you the rest of the house. Let's go back up there and go see the upstairs. Front door again. Now we're going up the stairs. Here's that other closet with lots of space. They don't make them like that anymore, do they? Carpet is fairly new. As well as the roof is new. The windows, all the windows have been replaced. The carpet, and most importantly, all of the furnace. The furnace and the AC unit have also been done, and additional insulation has been blown in. So all of the under the hood kind of things that you do to a home that was built in '93 have already been done. All the expensive things have been done for you. Now this bedroom, it is rare that you find a bedroom with a vaulted ceiling, but this makes it nice and big. Has also the closet storage. Another room. I love the paint color in here, but you know, if paint is not your thing, if blue's not your thing, it's just a paintbrush away. Linen closet. And I really like these kind of bathrooms that have the sink separate from the shower and commode. That way, if you have more than one person using them, you can share the bathroom easily. Great for brother, sister, right? This one is my favorite part because I do work from home. If anybody else works from home, it has nice French door closing. This is an office, but of course you can convert it to a bedroom, no problem. There's the closets for you. Sorry, the bookshelves are not built in and they will be going, but look at this view. I'm afraid I would gaze off into the sunset and I'd forget that I was working, but this is really nice. You can see the storm clouds roll in. You can see, you know, the stars at night. Beautiful view. So there are 4 bedrooms upstairs, and if you need all 4, or you can turn that one into a closet. I mean, an office. Here is the front door, and we're about to look at the master bedroom. It has double door entrance. I always like that. It seems so dramatic. Not to mention easier to move things in and out of. Plenty of room for a king-size bed and nightstands too. And you can get up and get ready and then gaze upon the beautiful land that someone else has to mow and keep up. Ah, isn't it grand? Plenty of room for dressers and bathroom. Shower, soaking tub. Oh, how I miss that. Commode in a separate room. Double sinks. And most bathrooms don't include a laundry room, but this again has a large and deep linen closet, excuse me, not laundry room, linen closet, and a very sizable closet. I don't know, I've had some women say that that's enough room for them and their husband has to have their clothes down the hall. But I don't know what your storage needs are, but that is a very large closet. Okay, let's go back downstairs. I want to show you the outside. Okay, this is a beautiful outside. The Trex deck is also fairly new. Very large Trex deck, so you can put a formal living room out here and a table, 2 grills, and the best part of all, a hot tub that stays. Okay, so imagine yourself sipping your favorite beverage in the hot tub as the stars peek out of the sky. It doesn't get any better than this. And you can actually see the stars because, well, there's no light on the golf course, right? That water feature is spewing water out of the top, kind of globing the water down. That feature doesn't stay unless you want to make it. We'll accept all offers. Okay, there's one more thing to show you, and that's the basement. By the way, there is a invisible fence for puppies. In case you have one of those, it stays. And the HOA is allowing fencing now, so if you wanted to put a formal fence on that backyard, you sure could. This is a very large bedroom in the basement. And when I say basement, look at that window. It's actually garden level. It wouldn't take much to make it an entrance if you wanted to. But either way, it's nice because it does let natural light in. And then 2 closets there for the closet space. And then we'll go down the hallway a little bit. We have a full bathroom. How many times have you seen that in a basement? Not generally. That's a full bathroom and one more room. This one could easily be made into, back up a bit, you could put a door threshold here and make this another bedroom if you want. It does have the window, you just need to add a closet. Or I think it'd be really cool to make it a media room. They, of course, have made it an exercise room. Wouldn't it be just like me to say media room? Okay, one more secret, and that is more storage. This has storage all the way down on the end there. But the coolest thing is that this crawl space is gigantic. It is like mega crawl space. You can't quite see in the back with the lighting. But the kids that used to live here, because it's so tall, they were able to make that their fort. And they used to have sleepovers and stuff in the crawl space. So that is the house at 375 West Prestwick Way. And I hope that you enjoyed your tour. Give me a call if I can help you find any more information out about it. 303-522-8364. Thank you.